Hello HSPs, it's Alane here with Annette. Say hi Annette.
Hi.
We are walking around Colmar, which is in Old Town. It's a very touristy area, and I'm noticing the same as I noticed in Troyes, that I'm feeling pretty overpeopled. Like, I love seeing everything, it's so beautiful, and I keep having these little waves of stress, whatever they're caused by. But Annette and I were talking about her studies of positive intelligence, which I'll be interviewing her about soon. So stay tuned and look for us on YouTube, because I think it's really important that we that we really watch our brains and how we are thinking, so that we can here's the canal, so that we can be really conscious about where we allow them to go. And as always, when I'm spending time with Annette, I'm learning about it. Can I put you on camera again, my friend?
Sure.
So we just went out to lunch and got some food, which always helps. And it was also a little bit challenging. I had a little fit over what to order. And Annette had a really special experience that's going to get its very own video with her lunch when she's had some time to decompress more.